we're back with Pat Mara. This time, it's their dry food and chicken and liver flavor. Since bago na naman, mukhang ayaw kainin ni Jollibee, makikita nyo dito kung paano ko siya alukin at hindi ako pinapansin. But of course, meron kaming paraan para kainin ni Jollibee.
Jollibee. Jollibee. Jollibee.
Ginagawa mo!
Himala talaga na umayaw si Jollibee dito sa cat food. Siguro dahil bago. Have you tried this appetite booster from Pet Mara? This is made with real meat and rosemary extract without additives. Diba kanina nakaupo siya at aba, lumapit ka agad nung nilalagyan ko ng sprinkles. You can also use this as toppers on your wet food to increase palatability and appetite, especially for picky cats and dogs. Kung kanina umayaw si Jollibee, ngayon naman halos ubusin niya nung nilagyan ko na ng sprinkles. This is also available in different flavors.